Oh, she fell.
Oh, I want to go inside that office.
There's a car, two cars coming in.
Hopefully it's open.
Two cars are coming in from the alarm's gonna go on.
Oh, no one's in there.
Like, I think two cars are gonna come.
Come on, car coming.
So I'm just gonna be over here so nobody can see me. The cars are over there.
Honk. 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 Oh yeah. Honk. Honk. Push your honk.
No one's listening.
Only one person. We got one person. It was like a little.
One out of
How many cars were there?
Like 5.
Oh, there's 1 out of 5. Oh well.
So no one.
Little push, Maggie.
Car.
There's a car.
Maybe if
There's a
they
person.
honk. I want to see this.
Tell them to honk. Honk! Beep beep! Honk honk! 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 Hi! What's your name?
Tata.
Hi, Tata.
Kaka.
New friend. Add to my buddy list.
Kaka.
Honk! 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 Honk!
All the windows are closed, so let's just go walk and see. Another car is coming.
Hold on, take a picture of me by this palm tree.
Video.
Oh. Totally
There's-
shy.
Car coming, if you guys can
We're
see.
shooting a video? We're shooting a video? We're shooting a video? I thought,
Yes.
I don't know why you just had my iPad. I thought you were just looking at pictures.
Like 4 cars are coming.
Honk, honk, honk,
I'm going to hide myself.
honk, beep, beep, honk, honk, beep, beep,